joining me today. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. And if you are new, hit that subscribe button and that like button. That way I know that you guys are enjoying these videos. So today I am going to be unboxing my Glow Addict box. Now I got this probably like a week ago. I just haven't sat down and done it. I haven't even opened it yet. So this is a Glow Addict box. If you don't know what this is actually a monthly subscription, and you can actually do, there's actually 3 different types of subscriptions for Glow Addict. So the Glow Addict beauty bag, there's actually 3 different subscriptions. You have the beauty bag, you have a beauty box, and then you have a skincare box. Now each of them has a different price. So for the Glow Addict beauty bag, which is just like a bag, just like it says, you get 4 to 5 items, and that one's $13.99 a month, but you get to try different brands and try new products. The next one, which is the Glow Addict box, which is the one that I am subscribed to, that one is 5 to 7 products a month, from indie brands to brands that we know and love, and that one is $18.99 a month, so I pay that monthly. The last box that you can get is the Glow Addict skincare box. Now this one has 4 to 5 full-size items, and that one is $24.99 a month. So that one is just mainly skincare, so you're going to get stuff for your face, I guess your body too. But mostly, I see mostly things for like your hands, like lotions for your hands, masks for your face, makeup erasers, things like that, you'll get in that box. So the one that I got, like I said, is the Glow Addict box, and this one is $18.99 a month. So this is what I'm going to be opening for you this month. Now I did pay for it as a year subscription, so I've already prepaid for this, and so I get a box every month. Now the last couple months I think came in this new designed box. Before that they had just like a bag or like a regular box. It was a different looking box, so they redesigned their box and they did some different things. Let's go ahead and jump right in and see what I got this month. So when you open it up, you're going to see, this is basically what it is. It's kind of generic, I think, in my opinion. It's a little generic because it's not nothing fancy or anything. They just kind of throw things in there and this is what you get. So I don't know if I have a little bit of bubble wrap in here so nothing gets damaged. But let me see if I have anything, and I don't. So I believe I started subscribing to this in December. And I am looking for, okay, so I guess I'm going to have to look this stuff up. I don't know. I don't have a card in here that says what it is, nor do I have an email, which is kind of odd because normally they send you like what items are in your box and what the price of it is, but I don't see it in here. Nope. So I'll just go through the items. So the first thing I got was a yellow velvet beauty sponge, which these are nice. It kind of remind me of the Juno & Co ones, but I don't think this is from Juno & Co. This is actually their beauty sponge. So no packaging or anything, just kind of thrown in there. I find that kind of odd because it's not even like in a plastic wrapped up. So that's kind of weird. But okay. So they have a beauty sponge in here, which I haven't been really using beauty sponges at all. I've been using just the brushes for my makeup. So yeah, I don't know. The next thing that we got was a CBD coffee lip scrub. So I guess this tastes like coffee. Yeah, so this is the little packaging for it. It has all the information on the back, like little ingredients. I have lip scrubs that I prefer to use from JSC. Oh dear Lord, that smells like coffee. And I'm not a coffee person, so I'm probably going to be giving this away to somebody. Yeah, it's a coffee lip scrub, so it looks like a regular lip scrub, but it smells like coffee. All right. The next thing that I got another pair of lashes. These are from Loha. These are cruelty-free, lightweight, reusable lashes. Again, these lashes are really not for me. I have another pair of lashes that I got from them last month. I don't wear lashes all the time. Only on special occasions I will, but this is not a lash that I would probably wear at all, so I'll be passing that on. So there's 2 things. The next thing that I got was a Firm and Lift mask. Now this is the lower lift. So this has 6 varieties, 9 combinations, brighten and tone up, rejuvenate and firming, and sebum and exfoliation, reaches tip of nose. So lift and firm, calm or hydrate. So you have, I guess, different ways that you can wear it down here on the bottom. Again, this is a lower lift mask, so I guess this kind of goes underneath your chin, like up here. Customize upper and lower sheet mask for your skin. After cleansing, prepare the skin with toner. Take out the sheet mask and apply on the face starting from the center. Stretch out to the rest. So it just kind of gives you the instructions on the back. Again, this is not something I would use because I don't particularly like these types of things. So that's probably going to be passed on. But I mean, it is a pretty cool product by JJ Young. And I will look up the prices for these items and I'll put them down below. The last thing that I got was Madusa's makeup. It's an eyeshadow palette. And this one has, I don't know how many eyeshadows, 12 maybe? I don't know. This is small. I don't want to open it. It is cruelty free. I don't want to open it, but I guess I'm going to have to show you guys. Because I don't know if I'm going to use this or not. A lot of these products from Glow Addict the last few months, they just haven't been for me. Just not something that I've been interested in, I guess. Okay. Oh, dear Lord. Alright. So it's called Electro. I think I've seen this. Yeah. So it does have a small mirror. Has very small pans, but these are the colors that it has. They look pretty, just, I don't know if I would actually use this. Probably not. Andy, Pop Culture, Annie Sunny, Always Sunny, Petal, Stiletto, Gravity, Feminist, Roxy, White Hot, Galaxy, Chalice, and Vice. So these, I mean, that silver is really pretty, but I have a silver. And actually, I recently ordered some glitter shadows from, I think it's Love Cosmetics. I Love Cosmetics, something like that. I'll do an unboxing of that when I get it. I only ordered that one palette, but I'll probably be passing this on to a friend or somebody. I don't know. I'm not going to be using it, so yeah. So, I mean, it's not bad. You get 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 5 items in my box, all of which I'm probably never going to use, which kind of stinks because, I mean, I have a colorful palette. I used nothing but Jeffree Star, so yeah. So there we go. I might be passing this entire box along to somebody else though, because it's just not for me, not something I would use ever. So yeah. So that was our Glow Addict box. It was a good box, but it's not anything for me. I feel horrible because it's not items that I would actually use, but if you guys are interested and want to leave a comment below, let me know and I will send this directly your way because I have not touched any of the products. They're brand new. So let me know if anybody's interested in this box. I will send it directly to you. Just send me your address, DM me with your address or information, and I'll be happy to pass that along to you. Other than that, thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you for supporting me on my small channel, and you guys have a great rest of your week. Bye!